Hello children, I am your Shyamla teacher. How are you all doing? Hope you all doing great. Today our topic is the food we eat. Children, what do you do when you feel really very hungry? When mama asks you to do something, do you do that? No, you cannot do that. Did you ever think why? You don't feel like doing anything when you're hungry. So why do we need food first? And moreover, when you are hungry, when mama asks you to go and read a book, will you do that? No, because you don't have energy, right? You have no energy. You just can't concentrate on your book or anything other than food. So do you play out? No, you don't feel like playing because you don't have energy. We need energy for playing, reading, for running. In any work we need to do, we have to have energy. Got it? So who gives us energy? Food gives us energy. Our battery is charged when we eat. When we eat food, we get energy. So we have different types of food. We have so many kinds of food. Every day we eat them, right? Now we will see which food comes under what. And food is required for energy and growth. Think when you were young, were you the same size as you are now? No, you were small in LKG. And as you come to grade 2, now you have become so tall. Food gives us energy to work and play. So I was telling you there are many types of foods. Basically there are classified into 3 types. What are they? First is energy giving food. Energy giving food. What kind of food comes under energy giving? That is oil, potatoes, sugar, rice, jaggery, maize, and all types of grains. Food grains like wheat, maize, corn, they all come under energy giving food. Alright? And we have a sign also for energy giving, right children? Yes. Next. Who makes us grow taller, stronger? See, you were in LKG and now you are in grade 2. These are the 2 pictures which I have shown here. Let's see who does this. Oh, it is bodybuilding food. Yes, we grow because of bodybuilding food. It helps us grow and our teeth, our bones, our muscles become strong if we take these kind of food. So what all come under these food, children? Egg, pulses, milk, fish, chicken, meat. These all come under bodybuilding food. Got it? What is the next one? Oh, protective food. What is the sign for protective food, children? Cross your arms. That is, these food keep us away from diseases, right? That is why they are called protective food. So what comes under this? All kind of vegetables and fruits. These all are protective food. Okay? Now, what is a balanced diet? Balanced diet is something we should have every day with all the three food combined with equal portions. Like, suppose your mommy gives you just rice. Can you eat just rice? No. Mommy gives dal as well as cooked vegetables, right? Curry, that is cooked vegetables. We take curd also along with that. That is balanced diet. Got it? So this diet has got a lot of benefits on our body. So we all should and must take balanced diet every day. This is something really very important. What should you do? Does mommy cook the vegetable just as she brings from the market? No. She washes it properly. Up, down, side to side, under the water, under the running water. And again she cut and she washes it again. Why do you do this? Because there are lot of germs outside and they all are stick to the vegetables. So we must wash them properly and eat. Let it be fruit also. We should wash it properly. And this is even more important. If you are washing the food items which you are getting from outside, you wash your hands or not? Yes, we should wash our hands before we eat and after we eat as well. Alright children? So these are the hygiene rules we must follow, and the classification is energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So these three you must tell, and you are supposed to tell about the food which come under that. That is the public speaking topic for this week. Okay children? Thank you. Bye bye.